Hello guys! It's nice to be back. Kumusta kayong lahat? Well, this time what you are going to see is the unboxing ng nabili kong miter saw. In-order ko ito sa Lazada last September 11, part ng kanilang 99 sale sa isang seller from Pangasinan, namely Blue Power. Blue Power? Bekele man! Ang model nito ay Bosch GCM 12 GDL Professional Miter Saw. Here, if you can see through sa sira-sira ng bubble wrap. So, let's go! Wood you like to make. I only gave the seller a 3-star rating for this because it seems that my order was not properly taken care of. As you can see, the box was not sealed, and as you saw earlier, there is only one layer of bubble wrap at sira-sira pa. This one is the locking knob. This is used to set the saw to a different miter angles. This also serves as the handle to swing or to revolve the saw table to the left or to the right. I will attach this later. And as usual, Bosch Power Tools always comes with a very thick instructions manual, as you can see. This is the screw clamp, and this is used to ensure maximum safety while working. The workpiece must always be firmly clamped with this. I think there are no more small parts enclosed, so it's time to take the main unit out of this box. Mukhang mabigat ito. I hope I can lift this out from this box all by myself. I made it! Well, here it is. And what I can say about its look is, wow, this thing is a beast. Located on the side is a transport safety lock. This makes the tool easier to handle when it is needed to transport to various working locations. To release this lock, I just need to press the gliding arm down slightly by the handle. Pull it all the way out, then slowly guide the gliding arm upwards. And to the left side of the tool is the location of the glide mechanism clamping lever. The glide mechanism of the gliding arm can be locked or unlocked by this clamping lever. After unlocking the glide arm, the whole gliding mechanism is ready for operation. The glide arm can be placed in 2 positions. Glide arm pushed all the way back for crosscuts, and glide arm pulled all the way forward for compact transport position. Oh, this power tool is fun to play with. It looks futuristic and robot-like appearance, doesn't it? power cord that I have actually measured its length as 2.75 meters long is just fair enough. Let me plug this machine in, but I will do the test run later because I still have many more things to show. Let's take a peek at the saw blade. Well, having a Bosch expert for wood, 305mm diameter, and 72 teeth saw blade pre-installed in this machine, panalo. This time, I'm going to install this locking knob, and having this installed, I can now set the miter angles from 0 up to 60 degrees to the right and from 0 up to 52 degrees to the left. I just have to pull the lever and press the locking clamp at the same time until this clicks into the slot provided for it, and this means the saw table can now move freely. The free end of long work pieces must have something placed underneath it or be supported. And that is why, from there, these two saw table extensions to the left and right come to the rescue. One of the things that make this machine even better is its laser cutting guide feature. The two laser beams indicate the cutting width of the saw blade. This allows for the exact positioning of the workpiece for sawing without having to open the retracting blade guard. Another exciting and very useful feature of this machine is the cutting depth stop. I was actually looking for this in my previous miter saw, but unfortunately there was none. And luckily having this feature now. This is a very useful feature to me because I frequently do dado cuts or groove. Let's also pay attention to this adjustable fence. I have been wondering why is this adjustable, and the only reason I can see why Bosch made this fence adjustable is to avoid hitting it with a moving saw head when doing a bevel cut. And since this machine has a dual bevel angle system, so that's why the fence on the right side is also adjustable. And let us check its squareness. Well, it's good and good. So far, so good. This doesn't need calibration. And of course, the most important is the squareness of the saw blade to the work surface. Perfect! This miter saw doesn't need calibration at all. For the next thing to see, let me show you how to set the machine to various bevel angles. By loosening the clamping handle, I can now tilt the glide arm from 0 up to 45 degrees to the left. By turning this rotary knob counterclockwise, enables the machine to extend the bevel angle to a maximum of 47 degrees to the left. And also, turning this rotary knob in a clockwise direction enables the machine to extend the bevel angle to a maximum of 47 degrees, this time to the right. Twist start this power tool, first slide this lock off switch to the middle, and then I just have to press and hold this on off switch. This cannot be locked, it has to remain pressed for safety during the entire operation. And the good thing about this is that you can do the same with your left hand comfortably. This is great, especially for the left-handed person. This small thing serves a big use. This is the length stop. This can be used for easily sewing work pieces to the same length, and this can be mounted on either side of the sew table extension. And now for the test run. It's working! Whoa! Using this machine for the first time is quite intimidating. But of course, I will surely get used to this and would feel comfortable. Isa pa nga. At isa pa ulit. The average noise level of 93 decibels of this machine slightly exceeds the allowed noise tolerable by ears. However, this would be okay if not heard for a prolonged period, and the use of earmuffs is recommended. Let me show you guys the use of this screw clamp. To ensure maximum safety while working, the workpiece must always be firmly clamped like this. Dust is detrimental to health. The good thing this machine has a dust extraction system. I can connect my vacuum directly to this machine through this adapter, and I can do the sewing dustless and safely. Well guys, we're done with the unboxing of this Bosch GCM 12 GDL professional miter saw. Sa totoo lang, na-amaze ako kasi tingnan nyo naman ang looks, no? Robust and very futuristic. So I think I will be also amazed pag ginamit ko itong machine na ito And I won't be regretting that I bought this machine. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ako nag-actual sewing test. Kasi, as you can see, nasa loob ako ng bahay, no? Ayoko naman syempre mapinsala ng alikabok itong buong kabahayan. So, you better watch out guys for my next video about sa performance at kung ano man ang magiging experience ko sa paggamit nitong miter saw na to. And I hope sa konting na ipakita ko sa video na ito ay makatulong kahit papano to give ideas for those who are planning to buy ng ganitong klaseng miter saw. So, hanggang dito na lang. At syempre sana bago tayo matapos, baka naman pwede nyo pakipindot yung like and subscribe button. And of course, the notification bell para updated kayo every time na may bago tayong video. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. Hanggang sa muli. See you!